Hello, I'm Chef David. Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to cook. We will call it mushroom soup. Okay, so let's get down to cooking. 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil. Black fungus. The turnips. Carrots. Mushroom. The glass noodles. Just mix them up a little. The shimeji mushroom. Just add a bit of salt. Right now the dried mushroom powder. And for the color, we are going to add a little of dark soy sauce. This soup is pretty fast. It takes only about like half an hour. Okay, so in the meantime, we'll just let it boil. Hi everyone, it's been 20 minutes. The soup is ready. Now we are going to plate it. So let me open this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is your mushroom soup. I hope you enjoy this. Do try it out at home. I will see you very soon.